Today I'm going to do cooking, but first we have to clean up. So I'm going to do some spray, see? Germs, we don't want germs. Make sure to wash and dry your hands properly, okay? So today we're going to make scrambled eggs, but we make sure to do it with a grown-up because we're going to use the stove. Alright, we've got our eggs, we got our milks, our milk, and we got a whisk, and we got our... And we got our
spatula.
And we got our spatula. And we also got our bowl. It's also good to have a bowl to put our eggshells in. So first we're going to crack our eggs, but we need to use the bench, not the bowl.
Give it a bit of a whack. That's it.
Oh, I'm so scared.
You can do it. Yay! Now eggshell. It's okay.
Now we'll do the next one.
Yeah. Give it a whack. Good whack. Oh, don't get shell in your eggs.
The shell.
All right. Good going. All right. Oh, we better wipe your hands.
So we're gonna mix our eggs a bit with our whisk. So we're gonna use a quarter of a cup of milk in our eggs. So all of it. So we're gonna add all of it, okay? Now we're going to pour our eggs into the pan like we pour a glass of milk. Now we're going to get our spatula and mix it slowly. Like this. Can't let it stick to the bottom, otherwise it will turn into an omelette. So scrambled eggs. While I'm waiting for my toast, I'm gonna practice my catwalk. Is that good, guys? Meow, meow, meow. Oh, wait a minute. Catwalks are model walks. So I'm actually going to walk like a model cat. Like that. Meow, meow. Oh, wait, a catwalk? No, it's like a model walk. Oh, that sounds like my toast. Okay, my toast is done just the way I like it. Right, so we'll get a bit of butter. And butter it this way, okay? I finished the buttering and I'll get my plate. And then I put this on my plate and then using a spatula, we need to very carefully scoop up our eggs and put them on top of the toast. It's